everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Fortune Cookie Soap Box for August 2018. Fortune Cookie Soap Box is a box of different bath and body products themed on a movie. Every month with shipping it ends up being $34.95 in the US. So this is what the box looks like. This month's theme is based on the Goblin King. So they give you a little booklet, and inside it has all of the products and their retail value and the scent description, but I don't want to surprise myself. I want to surprise myself. Alright, so when you open it up, those are the products in the box. So I'm going to pick out this first, or should I go by what's in the booklet? I'll just go by what's in the booklet, that way I can... Alright, so the first thing is wrapped in this. It is a crystal ball, infused perfume oil. And if you see, there are some crystals in the bottom of it. I'm gonna smell it, and there's sparkles in it as well. Ooh, that smells nice. That smells really nice. Okay. A scent fit for a Goblin King, a hypnotic and romantic dance between golden apricot, pink peonies, candied pomegranates, and a hint of pralines that captures the romance of warm days that linger into cool autumn nights and a mesmerizing ballroom. And the retail price for this is $12.99. The next item that I'm pulling out is the Voodoo Woohoo Room Spray. If you need your house to have the power of the babe, grab the scents with the power of voodoo. What kind of magic spell to use? How about one with mystical scents of cotton blossoms, wild raspberries, and a base note of cedar? Right, let's give it a spritz. Ooh, that was right in my nose. That smells good. It smells like cherries, but I guess that's the cotton blossoms and raspberries together. I like that. That smells good. They have very unique scents, and I really enjoy the creativity of the products. So the next thing that is in the box is the Bog of Eternal Stench Veggie Protein Deodorant. Oh, and the room spray retailed for $8.99. This retails for $7.99. Oh my god, what is it? It's the Bog of Eternal Stench. You'll have never smelled anything like it. It's like, well, never mind what it's like. Just pop it open and take a whiff of the welcomed eternal stench of golden amber and vanilla coconut cream with a touch of honeycomb. Right? Ooh, that smells like fall. It's just a clear veggie deodorant, veggie protein deodorant. The next product is the Cutest Monster Face Ever Charcoal Facial Cleanser. This retails for $12.99. Call the rocks in defense of your face, and you'll have the cutest, sweetest monster face ever, with light fragrances of spiced rum, jasmine petals, Tahitian blonde woods, and pink sugar. You won't know why, but every now and again in your life, for no reason at all, you'll need this facial cleanser and all of it. Alright, let me see. Let me open it from here, and I hope I don't make a mess. Oh, I got on my lip. And now I got lipstick on my finger. I think it smells good. It's hard to smell it, but when I wash my face with it, then I'll tell. But that's really cool. I love getting facial cleansers. The next item is Chili Down Cooling Aloe Me Whipped Cream. Retails for $7.99. Chili Down with the Fire Gang. Cool down and dance around with scents of zesty lemon rind, peppermint, and a base note of vanilla. Just throw your hand with the chillest aloe me whipped cream in the land. Alright, let's open it up. I've always wanted to try their whipped creams and haven't gotten one in a box before, so I'm excited for this. There's a protection seal. Oh wow. That's like minty. I wasn't expecting it to be minty. I can't tell if I like that scent or not. I think I do. Well, I just put some on my arm. I think it smells good. Some of their scents are like unique scent combinations. I think I like that. It's hard to tell. I'll figure it out later if I like it or not. All right, and there's 2 more products in the box. The next one is Fairy's volumizing shampoo. It retails for $14.99. Where are you going with a head like that? No need to take off your head when your hair gets wild. Shake your pretty little head and let your flaming luxurious locks gain the volume it needs with the nuances of peach and pear, subtle notes of hydrangea and violet, all rounded with a base note of fiery musk. Okay, let's see what it looks like inside. Oof. Oh, that smells really good. It's just like that inside. Oh my goodness. Ooh, that smells really, really, like, I can't wait for my hair to smell like that. And then the last item in the box is You Have No Power Over Me Shimmering Body Wash. Through dangers untold and hardships unnumbered, this body wash has fought its way here to shower you beyond the Goblin City, to take you back the cleanliness that has been stolen. For its will is as strong as yours, and its kingdom as great. The dirt and grime has no power over you. With scents of grapefruit and Valencia orange, blooming lily of the valley, and base notes of tobacco and spice. And the retail price is $7.99. All right, it is really glittery. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, yeah, I like that. I like that. Their scents are very unique. They do smell good. It's not something, like a lot of these smells are smells I may not have smelled before. So for $35 you get a body wash, a shampoo, a whipped cream, which is like a moisturizer, a face wash, a perfume oil, a room spray, and a deodorant. I really enjoyed this month. I've actually never seen the movie based on this month. Last month was based on Jurassic Park. Next month is going to be based on the movie Grease, but if you haven't signed up already, it's too late to sign up for that box. You have to sign up almost basically a month in advance because they make these in small batches. The month after that, so if you sign up today, they're doing a box themed on Wreck-It Ralph. One nice thing about this subscription though is that you can skip months. So if there's movies that you're not necessarily into or themes, you can go ahead and skip those months. I'm going to be skipping the Grease month and probably the Wreck-It month as well because I'm not really into those movies and I'm kind of on product overload right now. But I'm hoping that at some point they'll have a movie that I really know and love, and then I'll get more boxes, and hopefully I won't be on product overload at the time. So let me know what you think. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more unboxing videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will probably be getting my Sephora Play this weekend, so that'll be going up. My Allure is on its way, and my Beauty Fix is also on its way. So go ahead and subscribe to see more videos, and have a great day.